Welcome to the 5th video of RIV Academy's elementary series. In this video, we will understand what cryptocurrencies are, what problems they have solved, and what kind of opportunities they represent. The term cryptocurrency derives from the combination of the word cryptography and currency. Practically, it is a currency, supported and made rare by cryptography. Blockchain technology provides the infrastructure for the existence of a digital currency without the need for a central bank. The currency is one of the many applications that can be run on a blockchain, exploiting the advantages of decentralization in the digital world. The first cryptocurrency ever created, as we have seen in previous videos, is the famous Bitcoin. Bitcoin's blockchain allows users to exchange a cryptocurrency among themselves without the need for a bank or any intermediary to certify the validity of the transaction. The biggest challenge that Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin, had to face is the double spending problem. Let's see it in detail with an example. In the traditional system, if I have to give money to someone, I make a bank transfer. At the moment the transaction is made, the bank will check that I no longer possess the money I sent and that my friend has received the money due to them. So, in this system, the control organ that creates consensus in transactions is the bank, which, in exchange for creating consensus, keeps a percentage of the amount sent. While in the decentralized world, if I send 5 Bitcoin to a friend, I won't do it by bank transfer, but will do it using an app or a system on blockchain. In this case, who certifies that I no longer possess the 5 Bitcoins I sent, and at the same time that my friend has received them? In this system, we don't have banks or third parties that need to certify the transaction. Satoshi Nakamoto, at the time, had conceived blockchain exactly by solving this problem. Blockchain technology creates consensus in transactions. We can define the blockchain as the complete and immutable history of all transactions of a decentralized community, which all participating members agree on. The creation of consensus in a decentralized system is a very intricate concept, but essential to understand. Inside our app, in the chapter dedicated to cryptocurrencies, you will find videos that will allow you to understand what consensus is and how it works in a decentralized system. The blockchain and its ecosystem may seem like a labyrinth of complexity, but with RIV, everything becomes clear and simple. The secrets of consensus, the mysteries of mining, the strategies of staking, the variety of tokens, and the dilemmas of scalability are unveiled one by one through our concise and in-depth video pills. Don't be intimidated by the unknown. Turn curiosity into knowledge and knowledge into opportunity. The qualitative leap? Buy the complete membership to RIV Academy now and become part of a cutting-edge community. With our app, you will not only learn, but will also be able to navigate safely in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't wait. Enter the future of digital finance today.